This tutorial is how to set up the thermocouple type on a 3200 controller. Press the page key and hold the page key in until eventually you see level 3. When code 0 appears, enter number 3. Proceed with the page key once more and hold the page key in until you see level 3 go to. Press the up arrow key to select conf. Code 0 will appear and enter number 4. Once you have conf on the screen, press the page key until you see input. Press the scroll key once and you'll see in.typ, which is input type. For this tutorial we will change this to type K. So using the arrow keys, press the arrow keys until type K appears. This is type K on the screen now. Okay, so we have now selected type K thermocouple. To exit the instrument, press and hold the page key and the scroll keys together. Observe conf go to appears. Use the arrow key to select which level you wish to return to. Level 1 is the operator mode with the least access. So we go back to level 1. And you have now seen how to set up a thermocouple type and a 3200 controller.
For more information and instructional videos, please visit Eurotherm.com. Thanks for watching.